Hello folks, my name is Ogodino Uche Jude. Welcome to today's further maths class. Our topic title is area of triangle and quadrilateral. That is applying the knowledge of coordinate geometry to areas of triangle and quadrilateral. So let's slide through our lesson objective. So at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to find, using knowledge of coordinate geometry, area of triangle and area of what? Quadrilateral. So area of triangle, example 1. Find the area of the triangle which has vertices with coordinate P into 1 and 2, comma, Q into 4 and 1, and R into 3 and 3. So let's begin. Now the solution to this is not compulsory, but if you like, you can draw a triangle. Let's represent this place with A, or they use P into 1, comma 2. If we call this one Q, this is 4, comma 1. And if we call this one R, this is 3, comma 3. So if you want to get the formula is giving us half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So that's the formula. The formula is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So the coordinates given to us now, if we arrange it in order, P1, 2, Q, 4, 1, R, 3, 3. So this is your x1, y1. x1, y1. This is your x2, y2, x2, y2. And this is your x3, y3. So we can proceed from there. So proceeding, that gives us what? Our area of triangle is giving us half into x1. Let's look for x1. x1 is 1. 1 into y2. What is y2? y2 is 1. 1 minus y3. What is y3? y3 is what? 3 plus x2. x2 is what? 4 into y3 remains your 3, right? Minus y1. What is your y1? Look for y1 here. That is 2 plus then x3. The final one is what? x3. So what is our x3? x3 is 3 into here, y1. Our y1 is 2 minus our y2 is 1. So that gives us half into 1. This should give us minus 2 plus 4 into 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 3 into 2 minus this is 1. So this gives us half into, this is minus 2 plus what? 4 plus 3. So that gives us what? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So that is what? Our area of the triangle is half times 5, right? So this gives us 5 over 2 square unit because you are dealing with area. So that is that for the first one. Let's go to the next example. So 5/2 square units. Now example 2, show that the point with coordinates So example 2, show that the point with coordinates A into 1, 4, B into 4, 6, and C, 7, 8 are collinear. So solution, our area is half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So let's go through our formula to see whether it's actually correct. So if I'm going through our formula, let's go through it again. That is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So the formula check is completed. Now our triangle gives us what? Half into, so all this value given to us, where is our x1? Let's write that one out to make it easier for both of us. So a into 1, 4, this is x1, y1. B into 4, 6, that is what? X2, y2. Then C, 7 and 8, that is what? X3, y3. So applying to our formula, half into, what is x1? x1 is 1. Better be careful, don't rush. Y2 is 6 minus y3 is 8. Then plus x2, look for x2. x2 is 4 into y3. What's our y3? y3 is 8 minus our y1 is what? 4. Then plus, what is the next one? x3. Our x3 is 7 into our y1 is 4 minus our y2 is 6. So this becomes half into 1 into 6 minus 8 to give us minus 2 plus 4 into 8 minus 4. This was our y1 and our y1 was what? 4. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 7 into 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Cover the bracket. So this becomes what? Half into minus 2 plus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 2 times this will give us what? 14. So minus 2 minus this will give us minus 2 minus 14 minus 16 plus 16. So this will give us half into 0, which is half times 0 is equal to what? 0. So this will give us 0. Hence, they are collinear. They are collinear. So if you use this particular area of triangle formula to solve for a particular question given to you, asking you to check whether they are collinear, if your final result is 0, then they are collinear. Otherwise, you solved incorrectly. Or if your final answer is not 0, that means they are not collinear. Right. Let's go to the next one. area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral. So example 3. Example 3. Calculate the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are A 1, 1, B 2, 5, C 5, 4, and D 4, 0. So solution. So the formula for this particular question is upside down or inverted triangle is equal to half into x1, y2 minus x2, y1 bracket plus x2, y3 minus x3, y2 plus x3, y4 minus x4, y3 plus x4, y1 minus x1, y4. Then close the bracket. So that's the formula. Now, it's very, very easy to even memorize the formula. The first one started with 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 1 comes 2. The next place, turn it 21, 12, 21, 2, 3, 32, 3, 4, 43, 4, 1, 14, so on and so forth. Okay, having said that now, let's apply, let's bring out our coordinates. Our A, 1, 1, that is x1, y1. B, 2, 5 is x2, y2. C, 5 and 4, x3, y3. Then D, 4 and 0 is x4, y4. So just applying the formula. So half into, what is my x1? My x1 is 1. 1 times, what is my y2? My y2 is 5. Better be as slow as I am so that you get it. Minus, then x2 is 2 times y1. Let's search for y1. y1 is 1. So this first part, we are through with this first part. Plus, I'll continue here. x2. What is our x2? x2 is 2 times our y3. Our y3 is what? 4. Minus x3 is 5. x3 is 5. y2 is 5. Plus, going to the next one, x3. x3 is 5 times y4 is 0 minus x4. What is x4? x4 is 4 times y3 is 4 plus the final one, x4 is 4 times y1 is 1 minus x1 is 1 times y4 is 0. Cover the brackets. Hope there isn't any mistake. So, I was just thinking out loud. Now, this gives us half into 1 times 5 is 5, minus 2 times 1 is 2, plus the next one, 2 times 4, 8, minus 5 times 5, 25, plus 5 times 0 is 0 minus 16, plus 4 times 1 is 4 minus 0. So that gives us half into 5 minus this is what? 3, plus 8 minus this should give us minus 17. Yes, minus 17. This should give us plus minus 16. Then this should give us plus 4. So this gives us half into 3 minus 17 minus 16 plus 4. This gives us half into 3 minus 17 minus 14. Minus 14 plus this gives us minus 14 plus this gives us minus 30. Minus 30 plus 4 gives us minus 26. Minus 26. So this should give us half times minus 26 over 1. That is minus 13. Minus 13. Since we are dealing with area square units. So that is the answer. So end of slide. Thank you. So with this, folks, hope you enjoyed today's class. I still remain Mr. Jude. Until we meet again in our next class, please stay safe. I love you all.